Hello all my creative friends. Thank you for your appreciation to our creative channel. Today I will show you how to make rose brooch. This brooch from the fabric, especially satin fabric, and I hope you like it. And don't forget to press the bell button and put like, subscribe, comment and share this video. And now let's prepare the material that we will use to make this flower. The materials are satin fabric, ribbon, flannel, lantern, stamen, pin, scissors, glue and glue gun. The first step, you cut the fabric according to size, the weight of 5 cm and the length 5 cm. Then you fold and you cut. Like this. You take a lantern and you melt the edge of the ribbon and shape resembling the flower petal. Like this. You need 30 petals. Like this. You take stamen and you can make stamen by yourself. You need ribbon. This is the weight of 4 cm and the length 6 cm. And you comb the yarn fiber one by one. You can use the needle this. Like this. You do the same process with the yellow color. you fold into two parts, and the yellow color you put inside and you roll. And this is the stamen. And now you take stamen and petal like this. Give the glue. You give the glue like this, and you form the flower, rose flower. You do the same process until 30 petals. And this is the flower. And now we make a leaf. You take a ribbon, green ribbon. This is the length 8 centimeter and the width 5 centimeter. And you cut like this. Like this. You need 2 leaves, and you also make like this. You cut the green ribbon, the length of 8 centimeter. You fold. This is the weight of 5 centimeter. Like this, and you melt. Like this, you open like this. You need leaves. You give a glue. To leaf like this, and you give the leaf like this. The last step, you take a flannel, you make in circle and give the pin, give the glue here and put in the bottom of the flower. And the rose brooch has been done. Thank you. Bye bye.